then you want to strain. Gives it that nice pink color. What's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the burly bartender, Rings. Just wanted to give you a different look. Today I'm here on the rooftop. Normally I'm downstairs. Come check me out. Hit follow, like, subscribe, and come see me. I'm right in downtown Silver Spring off Georgia Avenue. The address is 8229 Georgia Avenue. All right, I'll see y'all. Yeah. We're making a Cosmopolitan. You got your vodka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. A little bit extra for Dave. We got some lime juice. Some triple sec. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do a dash of cranberry. We're gonna give it a good shake. And then you want to strain. Gives it that nice pink color. You good. Alright, and then you're going to garnish that with a lime.
That's hard.
Yeah, now get Dave real quick.
That's hard.
What you want? You want guy?